completed. So loading the configuration, downloading the integration runtime, installing the integration runtime, registering integration runtime completed. Let's try to close this one. Now once you close it, go to your window where we have integration runtime window. Just try to refresh it. Wow, beautiful. Now what it's saying here, this is our name of the self-hosted integration runtime. The type is self-hosted. It says here it's running. Okay, and the version blah blah, it's giving some extra information. As we have now self-hosted is available in place, you can go ahead and you can create your mapping, you can create it. Now let us go and try to create the linked service now. Let's try to go to the manage linked service, new linked service I want to create. This linked service you want to create to the SQL server, you want to create it. We are selecting here SQL server, then click on here continue. This is a linked service. Okay, for the SQL server, we're giving SQL server, we're giving now auto resolve integration runtime place. We can see here what it selected. It selected what it selected. IR self-hosted SQL server is selected. How system knows I need to go for the self-hosted because what we selected here server, SQL server we selected. We selected SQL server. I selected SQL server, automatically it went for here IR self-hosted SQL server, it went. Now go and try to provide our server name, database name, those all information here. Server name is we can say as RRITEC because it is available in my mission. My mission name is RRITEC. Your database name is, I think we created the database name. This is what the database name what we created. Let us go and try to provide this a database name. Then authentication type is equal to, I am selecting even Windows authentication. That's okay. So the Windows authentication. mm, Good, 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 good. I think this one I need to configure looks like. I go Windows authentication, I need to provide the password. Okay, let me try. I'm not sure it will work or not, but let me try. Uh, okay. So I provide username and password. Let me click on here, test the connection. This much time. What is my username? REMREDDY, am I correct? Password also. Connection is failed. Okay, good. Cannot connect to SQL database. Please connect SQL data server team for further support. RRITEC database. This one user of email. Check the linked service. Blah blah. Good. Okay, I think I need to configure this one. I need to configure. I did not configure one. Let me do generally this one. SCA, I think. Then okay. From this point, I will try to teach tomorrow. Here, all we need to do is for my local SQL server, I need one username and one password. I forgot what username and password I set up. I need to create that username and password. Then we need to move forward. We don't have that much time. Tomorrow, anyhow, we'll continue. Today, we learned how to set up integration runtime. We learned how to set up integration runtime. Using that integration runtime, creating the linked service, we'll try to see it in tomorrow's class. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And I given the notes very clearly, how to create the linked service, self-hosted, those things. Please follow these notes. Then we'll be able to understand much better. Thank you. Bye bye.